Hi, welcome to UFO. You may be curious about what these are. It is our newly developed stackable batteries we're going to introduce you later, and we will stack the whole models to see how it looks like. And as you can see, this is the battery base, and here is the battery connector, and this is the connectors. While we install the batteries, we need to fix the connectors. Now I am going to install the batteries with my partners. These are the battery connectors and RS-485 for the battery parallel functions. While you need to parallel more units, you need to connect these portals between the battery units, and this is the ESI functions. We have Wi-Fi modules to plug in, and you can monitor the batteries from our smart energy management platforms. And these are the connectors and the portals of these batteries. And here's the positive and the negative. And this is the IS-485 OCAN, and this is IS-485. This is IS-232. And this is the switch. You can switch on or off for the batteries. Now we have installed the whole battery pack. As you can see, it is simply designed and no complex wirings for each modules. It is only stacked as easy like Lego block. And for each modules, you can get 5 kilowatt hours. So this unit, it is total 20 kilowatt hours. And if you need more energy for families, this unit support to parallel 3 units. To get 60 kilowatt hours for a family, it is designed to power your day and night. UFO Power, power your life.